Gotta enjoy yourself, you know?
I'm under the car and I'm looking at the motor mount. So this would be the older motor mount, I would say version 1 style for this particular style chassis. There's a version 1 and a version 2 for the DQ500 motor mounts, even though this isn't a DQ500 chassis. So the one that measures up more appropriate, where the insert would fit properly, is the version 1. So we're going to go with that version 1 mount. The rubber that attaches to this center metal puck right here, this block, the rubber is coming right across from here, side to side. Whereas the other version, it comes in on an angle on the version 2. So at least we'll be able to get the aluminum insert to be able to push into place with this version right here. We're going to go with version 1. Well, I had to rush inside because they was calling for a severe storm warning, as you can see. So some of my progress got cut short very quickly. And I mean very quickly. I was making some extremely good progress. So I downloaded the PDF. Looking at this, we're going to have to order the pucks with this. That's the rubber mounting inserts that come with the kit. Our mounting system on our car, this whole area is flat, and the bolt isn't actually going in this bolting, and it's bolting to a flush surface area where this is protruded inside. So you can see as this socket is going in, our whole area is flat right here, meaning when we go to install the aluminum billet puck right here, this bracket, support bracket, you can see how it's sliding inside right there. Ours is flush, so it would just go and stop. It would not go, and all of this would be hanging out. So we have to order the whole complete kit out. If we ordered the inserts, ours would not flushly mount like this. Apparently a lot of this section right here can be an area that creates wheel hop, and that's something we don't want. With this shimmying back and forth, it's been said in a few videos, so we definitely don't want anything like that. So I'm gonna order the complete kit. And this is the complete assembly that we would need right here. Of course, prices are subject to change, but this is as of April 20, 2023. At least we'll get the 2.5 mounts, the assembly that comes with it, and we'll have the complete kit. I'll just have to cut out the original factory mount or press it out, see how easy it is to remove, install the 2 inserts, and then go ahead and complete our installation with the DQ500 transmission. And one thing to note, all this stuff is in high demand. A lot of people are working on their RS3s and their TTRSs, and these products are back ordered. So it's already April 20th. They said they're expected in late April, so at least we'll be able to get a jump on this by ordering it now. I can continue with the fabrication of the turbo manifold, and once this comes, we'll go ahead and proceed with the installation. So this workbench is probably maybe even older than me, but it's at least 25 years old. When I moved in this house about 15 years ago, I drilled and mounted my vise onto this, and it came in handy for clamping a lot of pipes, different parts, and cutting them, and just being a fixture for holding parts. And it's finally gave up the ghost and cracked. As you can see, hairline cracks over here, and this thing is ready to go. So anytime I go to clamp something, as you can see, this thing is splitting and ready to come off. So I can't clamp anything tight. The crack goes all the way along. So I picked up 2 new boards, which are right here, and I picked the best out of the lot. And I mean, there was a lot of them in horrible shape. A lot of the bolts had boards had hairline cracks here. So if I drilled through it, it would have been a matter of time before they cracked anyway. So this is possibly one of the better boards. I will drill through and use this. I just bought this as a spare. We'll probably use it as a ramp or something, or some wood for driving some of these beasts up on the trail if needed. And I feel these have a few imperfections, but like here, I'll just mount that little imperfection. That'll just be in between the boards, but the main part is having something pretty durable to use. So let's get that old piece off, put the new one on, and remount my vise. So that way I can clamp the huge or the larger 3-inch piping and be able to cut it with my saw. Okay, I replaced the cracked wood on my workbench, and of course I had 2 pieces, so aesthetically I could have replaced both pieces just so they can blend in. You wouldn't see the contrast of a old piece of wood and a new piece of wood, but I don't want to waste time. I got a lot of work to do, and we're for production currently right now instead of aesthetics, when this is going to be dirty possibly in a few months and wouldn't be much of a contrast because it's a workbench. So now I have my vise clamped into position, I can hold my pipes or any type of tool or part that I need to fix in place, and I can easily cut it without having to use this, which I've been temporarily using, and it's a little risky trying to keep this mounted in position without it moving or shifting. So we're all set.